experiment is dangerous for your safety and the protection of those around you. Do not try this at home. No, really, don't.
This is a balloon, but not just any balloon. It's filled with oxygen. No big deal, you might think. There's oxygen everywhere. True, but not pure oxygen. Attached to the balloon is some tin foil, which will provide a spark. When the balloon is ignited, you don't see much of a flame due to the speed at which oxygen combusts. It burns so fast and clean that the microwave doesn't suffer any fire damage at all. It is, however, nicely blown apart.
We do these experiments so you don't have to. Do not try this at home.